Today's Check This Out segment should floor you because all the products have to do with the floor. The first one is called Roller Systems, and this is terrific if you're doing any kind of work on the floor. It lets you roll around, you can turn on it like that, slide up and down. It's actually a whole lot of fun. It was invented by a tile setter because tile setters do a lot of work on their knees, and this is a natural for it as opposed to using knee pads. But it's not just for doing tile work. It's also great for cleaning the floor or detailing your car or cleaning around the pool edge. It's really perfect for all that. You use your hands for pushing off, you use your feet for stopping, and not only is it easier on your knees, but because you're a little off the ground, it's actually pretty great on your feet. It takes a lot of pressure off your ankles and toes. Gus Zubero is the tile setter who invented this knee-saving wonder.
Every tile guy I know has knee problems, back problems. They're tired at the end of the day, and I just wanted to find a better way, an easier way to do it.
Now, Roller Systems is completely adjustable. With some screws here, you can alter the width, and these pads, they're replaceable. Now, the cost of Roller Systems is about $60, but one of the downsides is that while you're down here on the ground, rolling around, having a good time, you're going to get a chance to take a good look at your grout, and you may notice that it might be discolored. But not to worry, we have the solution. Check this out. Now, anybody who has white grout knows that after a few years, it stops looking white. To help solve that problem, there's Tile Grout Whitener. Now, this is essentially a non-toxic permanent white paint. But what makes it easy to use is the applicator. It has a little metal wheel, and you put it inside the grout groove and push it forward, and it leaves a trail of white grout behind it. The kit also comes with a little brush so you can paint those tough-to-reach areas. Now, this kit has a bottle that has about 4 fluid ounces of this Tile Grout Whitener, which should get you about 350 yards of grout, which should cover at least 2 bathrooms. Now, the cost of this, about $10. And once you have your bathroom looking great, the floor is beautiful, the grout's nice and white, you're going to want to protect that floor, right? So check this out. Now, this is the water leak alarm. It's essentially a water sensor, perfect in a bathroom like this one. This tub doesn't have an overflow drain. So you take the sensor, put it right over here, just like that. And when the water reaches that level, the alarm goes off. You can use this anywhere you have some plumbing, a hot water heater, toilet, sink. Put the sensor on the floor. When water touches it, the alarm goes off. This costs about $15, takes 2 AA batteries. Let me give you a little demonstration of it. Got some water running here. When that sensor goes underneath the water, the alarm goes off. Now, this noise tells you that you have a problem, but sometimes the noise itself is the problem. Squeaky floors are the problem, and one solution is Squeak No More. Now, the reason floors squeak is because they're riding up and down the nails. To solve the problem would be to screw the floorboards to the joists, and that's what Squeak No More does. Now, this kit does that by using this screw guide right here. You can take a look at it. And with these special Squeak No More screws. And there's a little demonstration we have here. This would be a floorboard. There's a joist. You put the Squeak No More screw guide right there. Take the screw, put it right inside there. Put on my safety glasses. And now, just a little down there like that. Then you can take this screw gripper, grab it, leaving a small hole you can fill with wood putty. It works just as well on a floor that has carpeting on it. You put the screw guide right there, take the screw, put it right inside there, and again, look at that. Take the gripper, grab it, and snap it off. You can't feel the screw. It's really that simple. Now, the Squeak No More kit comes with a screw guide, driver bit, and 50 screws, and costs about $20. After all, a beautiful floor should be seen and not heard.